The following video contains scenes that is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know what I watch? Dance
That means no one is to be seen on the streets between the hours of 8 p.m. and 6 a.m. for the next 7 days. You're to stay home, maintain your social distance, wash your hands properly with soap and water, and for those who don't like to bathe, you better start bathing now because Corona will take center you and kill you.
Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one, and I hope that everyone is, staying safe. You see what I'm saying to you? Try to make sure so that this whole COVID-19 thing don't affect you, your friends, or your family, or the whole Jamaica, you see me? So I hope everyone is being safe and doing the right thing, you understand? The Prime Minister of Jamaica had made an announcement that there will be a all-island curfew starting at April the 1st, 2020 at 8 p.m. You understand me? Yeah, now there's rules to this whole all-island curfew, but if you listen in the video, you will hear, someone talking, and I would assume that that person is a member of the, the law enforcers within the country of Jamaica. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, but, so this all-island curfew is, it's something that is being done in trying to stop the spread of the COVID-19. You see what I'm saying to you? That is within Jamaica, and say Jamaica is a part of the world, so who knows, you understand? So basically this whole thing is the fight against the whole coronavirus thing, you see me? Now according to reports, it is said that this all-island curfew is going to last for 7 nights. Yeah, 7 nights, or it's going to be around for 7 nights, you see me? Now, my advice to persons out there is don't break the rule and, try and stay home. You understand? Yes, stay home. That is my best advice to each and everyone out there. You see what I'm saying to you? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, I have an audio that I'm going to play for you, my viewers and subscribers, you see me? And this audio is said to be a voice note where, someone is talking about the US is going to spray something in the air, and, this audio is said to be out there on social media, and, there's comments being made about it, and for some reason, this audio is getting a little buzz out there on social media, you see me? Alright, so, I'm going to make sure I tell you right now so that, these things that are going to be said in this voice note that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, is not the views and opinion of Dancehall Skilla. And I'm not disrespecting whosoever did this voice note or send this message out there, I am not. But however, I'm just saying that, I am not the kind of person that just don't really accept things without hard evidence and proof. Alright? So if me not have no proof, not evidence, me now go tell you, my viewers and subscribers, say yes, it's true. When I myself say I am not sure it is not true. Alright, but anyways, I'm going to play this audio for you right about now, viewers and subscribers, so you can have a better understanding as to what I'm talking about. Alright? Alright, so take a listen and observe.
Rinty, I just got a call from a friend of mine. Our family work in the army in the US. She said me to tell my family them say, as of tomorrow evening, stay inside for at least 3 days, don't go outside. The US will be spraying some chemical in the air tomorrow, and that chemical will be traveling. And being Canada is so close to the US, right? We're the first to get liquid it. And if you do the maths and the ratio, if you see and wonder and look on things, April the 1st, when Andrew Holness say Imago lockdown, Imago lockdown is an all-island curfew. By the time them spray North America, right, it's gonna travel the south way. So do the maths on it. Just stay in the now go hurt more than save way. But could stay inside for the 3 days. Rinty tomorrow do anything we have to do a road in the morning, and that's coming. Now go make none of my family them dead. She said it's private and I can't even put it on social media like that. So call up your family them and let them know to please stay inside tomorrow night for 3 days. For 3 days. Watch the news and you're going to hear a kind of something. Yeah? Watch it and see.
Alright viewers and subscribers, there you have it, the audio that is out on social media. Alright, so now viewers and subscribers, it is said that Jamaica had now had their first coronavirus patient that had recovered from the coronavirus. You see me? Did I say that right? or should I say that Jamaica had their first, you know, COVID-19 patient that had recovered. I hope I said that right. But anyways, you know, this disclosure said to have happened on the 30th of March 2020. And you know, there is also a very short video that is out on social media where it is said that, you know, persons that, you know, were working at, or they are working at the St. Anne's Bay Hospital that, you know, went and did a video, and this video is out on social media. Alright, so actually I'm going to leave this video with you, my viewers and subscribers. It's a short video, and just remember it's a dancer skill. I'm going to there to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what go on. Alright, so big up and respect to each and every one. Stay safe, and until the next time, my name is Dancer Skilla. I want to big up on yourself. Now here's the video, take a look and observe.
Shout out to my team at the St. Anne's Bay Hospital. We have the first recovered case of the coronavirus. Hip hip! Hooray!